Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel, the only channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting my YouTube channel, do your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content. Try to like and share to your network so that YouTube push this channel to a high level of audience. So in today's video we shall discuss something that a lot of traders have neglected because of impatience, or maybe it's not even in their trading plan, or maybe they're not disciplined to actually remember this kind of stuff. And the topic is weekly, monthly, yearly outlook analysis in the forex synthetic market. Okay, we shall be deploying resistance, support and trends in the analysis. Okay, so I will start with synthetic market and I'll quickly jump to forex market, and we generalize how this analysis gonna help you go far in making steady profit in the forex synthetic market. So right here I'll be on synthetic market, and one thing is that there's no special, like you can't get synthetic indices on a trading view apart from the local trading view for tariff analysis, which only have daily time frame as maximum time frame. So we cannot be running monthly and yearly analysis if we are to use tariff trading view. So we shall use the normal trading view or the forex trading view for yearly analysis, and then we shall be using 𝒓𝒂𝒂𝒅 for analysis up to monthly. Okay, so that will be on forex market. Like on forex market we shall go deep with yearly, but on synthetic we stop on monthly because there is no such platform that will provide the yearly time frame. But I can still show you trick how you can visualize the yearly time frame on the 𝒓𝒂𝒂𝒅. It's possible because a year is made up of 12 months, so you can basically visualize a year and predict the next year or next 2 years. So let's start into this asset, volatility 25 index. Okay, so we will start with the weekly analysis. Okay, we will start with the weekly analysis. So we are trying to actually consider the outlook. So what is outlook? Okay, want to know the weekly outlook of the market. What is outlook? The outlook is, okay, where does the market heading to? Where does the market head to in that week? Where does it heading to? Where is it heading to? Okay, considering the range period, after that range, where is it going to break out to? So that's what consists outlook. So when you know the outlook, you can actually wait for strong resistance or support and then some kind of trend for you to follow the direction. Okay, so right here we go to the weekly time frame. So what you should be analyzing in this time frame, you should be marking the resistance and the support and the trend. Then when you mark the resistance and support and the trend, we are now going to run a probabilistic analysis, like what is the possible direction of the market? Is it buy or sell? Is it upwards or downwards? Okay, so right here I'm going to show you what's really happened. Like we are going to learn a lot of stuff, why the market is going the direction it is going right here. Okay, so we have our support. This is our support here. So you have to mark it with a zone. So this is our support here. Okay, and then we have have this area. This area is a resistance. This is our resistance here. Okay, this is a resistance level. Okay, so meaning that if price should react to this resistance level, there is probability that price will drop, and that is what happened in the week. There was a rejection from this zone, and the next week opened bearish and price started dropping. That is outlook. So the outlook is a bearish outlook, and when we talk about this outlook, is more of algorithm, that this has been programmed to happen. So you don't need further tools to believe it's going to happen. So outlook goes with algorithmic trading. Okay, so this is what's happened. The market crash. Okay, so that's cool. So let's open another asset, volatility 75 index, and this time around we shall be considering the monthly time frame. So let's go to the monthly time frame. Okay, we shall be considering the monthly time frame. Now, in how many ways should we have caught this move? Okay, so look at what's happened. This is a resistance. This level is a resistance. Okay, so we will mark it. Why did I call it a resistance? It's simply because price break it. It was a support before. Price break it. Because price break below it, it becomes a resistance. So on a retest, we expect a downward signal. Okay, so this is a support. So what's happening is that if price should come here, it's going to sell. Then it left for us to monitor what the months like what after these 2 months drop price. We need to monitor what is going to happen to the coming months. And what happens is that on the 3rd month it break out. So in that case, you should take advantage of the trend. So that is where trend comes in. The market is already on a downtrend, so you need to understand the trend, because here what marks the trend is a break and a retest. So we have impulsive move, retracement, then a breakout. So and the break is towards the downside, so it is downtrend already. So with that belief, we are going to see this support as a breakable stuff and price break it, right? So that's good. You can see that the sell is still holding. If you go to some lower time frame, you can see that the market is still selling. Okay, I'm holding this sell long term because I believe no matter how it retraces, it's gonna drop. It's coming to this. It's coming to these prices. Okay, it's coming to any of these prices. Okay, now we are going to dive into forex market, and we shall be looking on yearly analysis, and that should be cool. Okay, right now this is the trading view, and this is USD. This is, you can check, this is the yearly time frame. 1Y means yearly time frame. Okay, so the yearly time frame has 12 months. So information provided by the yearly time frame is very, very strong. You can use it to hold a trade for a whole year or more than a year, like 2 years, 5 years, 10 years. Okay, now let me give you an instance. Take for instance, you were able to spot this resistance. This resistance is 2,147. This is yearly time frame. So this is 2,147. If you're able to spot this yearly time frame, okay, right now I have actually switched to the website version of Trading View. So the app, the Trading View app, wasn't showing the yearly time frame accurately. It was actually showing the wrong time frame. So with a desktop or laptop, you can have access to this time frame. Okay, so I'm on yearly time frame, which is 1 month time frame. I'm sorry, which is 12 months time frame. Okay, So I'm on 12 months or yearly time frame. So what are you looking for? Resistances and support, and then trend. What is a trend? A break and a retest. So do we have any break and a retest in this market? Yes, we have a break and a retest. Just find any place you can see any break and a retest. Okay, so we have it here. Let me pick this. Let me pick this. Okay, let's go again. Okay, let's pick this trend horizontal line. So market, okay, you see that price, price break out from this resistance. So that shows it's going up. Price break up. Okay, so let's get another breakout. Okay, let's get another breakout. You notice that price break out of this resistance. Okay, price break out of this resistance. Okay, so if we have to hold good long term, if we have to actually get a strong signal, we should actually be looking for a buy signal in the yearly time frame. Okay, we should be looking for a buy signal in the yearly time frame, and then we shall be looking for a support in the yearly time frame. And here is a support. Okay, because you discover that price drop here and couldn't continue going downwards, so it's a support. If you have bought good at a price of $1,061, that will be massive peep. That will be massive peeps. Okay, I will not mention the peep, but it's going to be massive. So that is the power of doing this kind of analysis. You consider the resistance, you consider the support, you consider the trend. Okay, but in real life, these things cannot be realistic if you don't know how to actually get your entry and risk management. I don't know what to say again, but you really need to experience financial freedom by joining our various VIP, where the signals come with settings. The settings for your risk management, the settings for your take profit, and the kind of the signals are, they have zero drawdown basically, because we are out for this. We are out for traders to make them successful. Does nothing give me joy? Nothing give me joy apart from seeing my subscriber win steady. Okay, and if you don't believe in us, keep losing until you come back to ask for our signals. Okay, or if you are making it and you are doing well, you can go ahead and buy our courses to learn more. Or if you feel like you don't need any of our resources, make sure you refer those traders that are losing so that we can help them as well. That is our mission, okay? WINFX Trading, to make you a winner in this market. Thank you and keep coming. Bye for now.